My craft is quite old, going back maybe longer than anybody really could document. In this kind of work, you're attempting to create surfaces that appear to be naturally occurring. Somehow, this became the technique that was going to be my thing. If you really want to find something that speaks to you and you find that you are moving in a direction, keep pushing. Find a way to just keep immersing yourself in that particular thing. Don't be deterred. Just keep doing the thing that you love.